Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Sid.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Sid?
I am fine too. So today we are going to discuss on the topic area between two graphs. So if the upper cap or the line on top f of x, they mean this line f of x, and the lower cap or the line at the bottom g of x. So this is g of x. Then the area between two caps. So this is upper cap, this is lower cap. The area between the two caps from A to B, this can be considered x1 as A and x2 as B, is given by, this is the formula to calculate area. So area is equal to integration upper limit, lower limit, integration of upper cap, this will be our upper cap f of x, and minus lower cap. To put this function in mathematical terms, we can write as area is equals to integration of x2 x1 f of x minus g of x dx. So these types of concept are covered in many places in real life. For example, in economics, higher economics, in demand and cap, they also use this formula to calculate their area under the graphs. To give you more example, I will discuss one example on the board so you will understand the concept better. This will be your example 1. Example 1. So it says the diagram given below shows the sketches of the function y is equals to x minus 3 and y is equals to x squared minus 3x. So they have already given the graph and this is the shaded region. First, they are saying show that the x coordinate of the point P is 1. We have to prove that at point P our x coordinate is 1 here. How can we find x coordinate? Yeah.
Y equals 1.
Yes, we have to make y is equals to y. They have already given 3 as our coordinate, but we have to prove that at point P our another coordinate is 1. So to solve that we have to do y equals y. We can take the first y as x minus 3 and our second y as x squared minus 3x. So we can take this x minus 3 this side and it will become, this side will become 0. X squared minus 3x, x will take it that side, will be minus x, minus 3 will take it that side, plus 3. So x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Now we factorize that. Factorize that, we have to find two factors that gives us 3. So what are the factors? It is negative 3 and negative 1. We multiply this, it will give us 3. And when we add this, it will give us 4, which is negative 4, which is this value. So 0 will be equals to x minus 3 and x minus 1. This concept you have learned that in form 5. I hope you still remember that. To find this, we make x equals x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0. So this x will be 3 and this x will be 1. So they say we have to show that x coordinate of point P is 1. One of our coordinate is 3 and another coordinate is 1. As you can see, one of our coordinate is already 3 and we have proven there. And another coordinate to show it's 1 and we have already shown how to get 1 here. So we can write at point P our x coordinate is 1. Next we can move to question B, which says find the area of the shaded region. They mean this region.
Yeah.
To find that area, first we have to find the limits that are covering from here to here. When you recall the formula is area is equals to integration from A to B, f of x minus g of x, whole thing you have to integrate in terms of the x. So I and B are the limits. To find limits, we have already found limits. They have given 3 as one of our limits, which will be B, and we have shown that at point P here it will be 1. So our lower limit will be 1. Integration, lower limit will be 1, upper limit will be 3. And our f of x will be to know that we have to know which cave is our upper cave and which cave is our lower cave. To show that we have to draw a vertical line. And whichever function touches the vertical line first will be our upper cave. We have to draw the vertical line at the shaded region. So whatever function cuts the vertical line first will be our upper function, upper cave. So this is our upper cave since it touches the vertical line first. So y is equal to x minus 3 will be our upper cave, and y is equal to x squared minus 3x will be our lower cave. We can write it here, x minus 3 as our lower cave and x squared minus 3x as our upper cave. We have to integrate this in terms of dx. Before we do that, we have to first simplify this. So to simplify this x minus 3, we have to take this negative sign inside and this will become minus x squared plus 3x dx. You can see that when x is here and like terms, add the like terms. So we can write x squared first, then x plus 3x will get 4x and it's minus 3 dx. Now we have to integrate this in terms of x. So now we integrate this minus x, so power plus 1 which will be 3, 2 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 4 into x power 1 plus 1 will be 2 divided by 2, and for negative 3 we will just add x to integrate. When you integrate you will get 3x. Now we have to substitute the limit here 1 and 3. This is our upper limit, this is our lower limit. So the rule is first we substitute the upper limit in the function, minus that, and lower limit with the minus with the lower limit, substitute the lower limit minus with that. So we have to substitute 3 first in the function, minus 3 squared over 3 plus 4x, which is our x will be 3 here, squared divided by 2 minus 3 into 3. So this is our, we have substituted 3 here. We can put this in bracket, and then we substitute 1 into the function. So it will be minus 1 cube divided by 3 plus 4 into 1 squared divided by 2 minus 3 into 1. Now we have to solve that. Using the calculator, can you solve this?
So that one is cube. Negative 3 cube.
Oh, thank you, Shakil. This one is cube. Now can you use the calculator to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
4 over 3.
Okay, you have already done. It's 4 over 3. So one of the main thing here is we have to put the units. So since we are finding area and we are finding in xy region, so our units will be units square. Since there is no meters or anything else included here, we have to just write unit squared here. I hope you have got some idea of this concept. Now I would like to give you homework. You can see the answers for the examples are in the textbook here. I have already given it in the board so you understand it better. So the homework you will receive is this exercise 9.2.1. You have to do question number 1 and question number 2. So the diagram below shows for this question you have to find the area of this region. First you have to find the upper limit and lower limit. You can do y equals to y, you will find upper limit and lower limit. And with that you can use the formula, and your upper k will be this one. When you draw a vertical line here, your upper k will be 2x plus 3 and your lower k will be x squared. And you can use the formula to further solve that. I'll check your homeworks tomorrow. Make sure you do it. Do you have any questions? If you are confused at some place, you can ask. And if you are stuck in your homework, you can come in the morning to my office. Thank you.